Hey family, it's your girl Sean.
It's your boy KC.
And you're watching Cruising on Vacay Mode.
And if you want to keep with us live, you know what I'm saying? You know, we're cruise connoisseurs. You know what I'm saying? You guys like cruising. Don't forget to ding the bell to keep up with our live. You know what I'm saying? Because we're going live every Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time to answer your questions.
So today we want to talk about, but what if you have a dietary restriction? Is that going to be a problem for the cruise line? Well, that's not a problem, because guess what? Your girl here actually do have some kind of dietary restriction. So what you're going to want to do is you definitely want to talk to the maitre d' on the first day, and you can let them know. But also you can do something way in advance. You can give them a 30-day notice, and they'll prep your meal depending on your type of dietary restriction that you may have.
Good to know.
So they'll prep it and have things ready for you, so you don't have to worry about if your food while you're on a cruise. No, just get on there and enjoy yourself.
And if you're a vegetarian, Royal Caribbean has a new vegetarian menu that you can definitely check out now, where it's specifically for your needs. If it's gluten-free, they also too have it as well. But also to ask, because, you know, for those that are diabetic, ask for the sugar-free desserts or something that actually, you know, maybe you're on a keto diet. Make sure you ask them, and they'll definitely let you know what they have to offer for you.
And that Royal Caribbean vegan menu is not just for vegan. So if you're like me and you like mushrooms, oh man, they have a great portobello mushroom. So go for it.
And they have a vegetarian option as far as for the desserts as well on that same exact menu. So if you want to try it out, go ahead, you know.
So if you have a specific dietary restriction, you can definitely work with the cruise line so they can help you out in that area. So it's no worries. I really hope this video was helpful. This is your girl Sean.
And it's your boy KC. And to keep up with our live stream every Sunday, come on by. But how you keep up with it is you got to definitely subscribe. Click the ring the bell. You know, to be able to keep up with our live, you know, every Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time. So that's 6 p.m. Central Time every Sunday we go live. In order for us to keep, you guys to keep up with it, you have to subscribe, click the bell in order to be notified when we're live, and also too when we upload videos. And if you want to get to us quicker, get over there to our Facebook page, Sean and KC on Vacay Mode Group.
See you guys next time.
See you on Vacay Mode.